know your voice.
Victory.
God put us wherever we want to be at. Then it makes sense that God will put us in together. That means He wants us to work hard to get up out of here. That means He's testing us even more. That makes sense. It makes sense that if you're good in your heart, then you be closer to God. But if you're evil, then you're close to the devil.
Finish him.